say a teacher should be skillful, communicative, and knowledgeable. It was the very first day happened to encounter a very chaotic classroom discussion. Sabat diri, sabat dito. Stressful kay my teacher. And there's this same question na, gabi kay siya, kuna na dyan ko ni all throughout my journey. Niya, kasi mo nakita do, teacher pa ka? Yes, pero what I'm thinking at that situation is that, mag-teacher dito ko, baka na kaya kayo nga itong situation sa classroom. I told my student to write an essay titled, The Greatest Challenge in My Life. Una-una mo, one aspect yung kinabuhi nga, nag-listen dyan mo, ka-struggle dyan mo, isa lang. And then, I've seen emotional faces, blank faces, and ridiculed faces. Dito ako kasabot sila ni Pamati, but I believe in them na sila ikasulat. As they submitted their finished essay, there are stories that are heart-wrenching enough for me to stop for a moment, think about how hard it is to experience those struggles that they have been enduring for the long time. And each of the students has their own struggles. Some lost their families, lost their parents, lost their siblings, and some go to school without allowance or snacks. And some were bullied and discriminated against those narrative ideas of them. And some just want to go stop schooling because life is got so hard for them. And there, I was, broke in silence. Being knowledgeable, communicative, skillful is a very great asset of a teacher. But apart from that, you have to be mentally and emotionally prepared because you will deal students with different stories, different backgrounds, and those stories will be carried by the students throughout their whole lives. So, to answer the question, mag-teacher pa kaya ka? I would say yes. Although I am not that ready, but I believe this is my passion, this is my calling, and this is my purpose.